Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best car and motorcycle battery chargers on Amazon.
Give it a like and stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos.
The 3rd position goes to Noco Genius 1T1 a 6V 512V Smart Battery Charger. You can find the links for each product in the video description.
The Noco Genius One is a compact and smart all-in-one battery charger and maintainer designed for both 6V and 12V batteries. It supports lead-acid types such as AGM, gel, flooded, VRLA, and also lithium-ion, LiFePO batteries. It features automatic temperature compensation to adjust the charging profile based on ambient conditions, meaning it helps avoid overcharging in heat and undercharging in cold. Whether your battery has dropped to 1V or even 0 with the manual force mode, this charger can attempt recovery. In addition to regular charging, it uses pulse charging technology to reverse battery sulfation and acid stratification, helping restore health and extend lifespan. It is safe to leave connected indefinitely thanks to its smart monitoring system. The package includes the wall plug charger unit, a long DC cable with clamps and eyelet terminals, and it's backed by a 3-year warranty. With its versatility for cars, motorcycles, power sports, ATVs, lawn and garden vehicles, and more, the Noco Genius One is a reliable pick to keep your battery ready for whatever lies ahead.
Number 2 is Motopower MP00205, a 12V800 milliamperes. The Motopower MP00205A is a compact yet fully automatic 12V charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, all in one unit. It is specifically designed for 12V lead-acid batteries, including flooded, AGM, and gel cell types. It features automatic desulfation using pulse current technology to help restore batteries that have developed sulfation over time. In standby mode, it draws 0 output, so it won't drain your battery when connected. It also offers multi-level safety protections, including overcharge, short circuit, reverse polarity, and spark-proof connection for added peace of mind. Once the battery reaches full charge, it maintains a safe float voltage around 13.6V, which is important for long-term storage without risk of gassing or damage. Installation is simple. Plug in the unit, attach the clamps or eyelet terminals to your battery, and the charger handles the rest automatically. Especially suitable for motorcycles, ATVs, lawn and garden equipment, or vehicles in storage. The MP00205A gives you a reliable way to keep a 12V battery topped up and healthy for whenever you need it.
And the first position goes to Battery Tender Plus 12 Voice 1.25 amp car and motorcycle battery charger. The Battery Tender Plus 12V 1.25 amps is a fully automatic charger and maintainer designed for lead-acid batteries, including flooded, AGM, and gel types. It delivers a smooth, constant charge through a 4-step process that includes initialization, bulk charging, absorption, and float maintenance. This helps extend battery life and ensures it stays at an optimal charge level. The built-in temperature compensation automatically adjusts the voltage based on surrounding conditions, preventing overcharging or undercharging. With reverse polarity protection and spark-proof connections, it is safe and easy to use. Ideal for cars, motorcycles, and seasonal vehicles, the Battery Tender Plus keeps your battery ready for when you need it most.
We hope you enjoyed our top 3 car and motorcycle battery chargers.
that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices.
Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description and the first comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.